Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and I am going to work on a project that I'm going to give out as a gift. And I am going to use the So Lucky transfer here. I've already cut them up and I've already put the backings on. And this is the Irish Blessing. And I will be using squeegees and of course my my multi-tool, my favorite multi-tool to mix up my chalkology paste. This is Green Envy that we're going to use. Oh, we're going to use shimmer copper, and hopefully all these colors will work out wonderfully, hoping. And this is Current Jam. So let's go ahead and put this down. So what I'm hoping to do is this So Lucky goes here. I'm going to use Current Jam on it. Then I'm going to put this on top, the actual blessing. And then I'm going to use copper for that. And of course, the shamrock will be the Green Envy. So hopefully everything will work out. And I think it will. I'm being positive here, guys. So let me go ahead and start peeling this off. So you just start from the top and then I'm going to fuss it. I'm going to use my shirt. So oh my gosh, the smell of new transfers. They smell so yum. I'm fussing it twice on my shirt. Okay, and then I'm going to place this. By the way, this board is from Target, and I found it at Target. So lucky. Hold on, oopsie. Is that even straight and centered? I think it is. This is as centered as I can get it. And then we're going to peel, because they're not going to be in the same area anyway. Try and peel the shamrock, and I plan to put the shamrock down here. By the way, guys, I already waxed the surface. Just make sure everything is tacked down. You don't want any bubbles around your letters, so to avoid the fuzzing. I'm going to put this on the side, and let's see how our current jam looks like. I just opened this, so I'm going to mix it up and see the consistency. Some of our chalks will have like sort of an oily residue that will float on top when you first open them up. Just mix that up together, because that's a part of the chalk. I love using the multi-tool because it gets all the way to the deep and corners of this round jar. So because of that curved end over there, it is just so, I feel like it really reaches all the way down to get to the goodness, if you will. All right, and this is perfect consistency. You're looking for a yogurt or sour cream consistency. So let's go ahead and put this on. I'm going to scrape what's on the multi-tool, because I don't want to waste my chalks. And this is a lot of chalk. As it is, we will have excess. Okay. When you're chalking, use the squeegee like a squeegee and not like a paintbrush. Some people are using it like a paintbrush and don't get the results that they're looking for, because they're not really able to spread the chalk paste around. So you saw how much that was from the multi-tool, and I'm going to go ahead and scrape. I have some excess here, and scrape it on the jar. And then this, I can put it in the water bath. By the way, the water bath is on my left side. And then revelation time, guys. This is the best part always. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to lift it. This is always the best part. Holding my breath for the reveal all the time. Oh my gosh, this color. Oh my gosh, why did I just open this color now? Look how gorgeous. OMG. Oh, double MG. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, before you close it, make sure you wipe the sides and the top so it will dry on the lid and stick on the lid, and you'll have such a wonderfully hard time opening it later. Oh, I forgot to spritz my water because I want to make sure we keep it moist. Okay, so next is the green envy. I'm so excited. Okay, hopefully this is in the consistency we want it. Oh, it's a little thick. So we're going to be working on the shamrock now. Beautiful. Okay, we don't need a lot. See what I'm going to put there? How much we will need. And I'm going to use the other side of the multi-tool to spread it, because it's a small image, so I'll treat it as such and use the other end of the squeegee or the multi-tool as the squeegee, because that's what it's there for. This goes in the water bath. Okay guys, revelation time on this shamrock. Shamrock, come on, peel off. Peel off. Oh, MJ, it is so cute. Look at that, guys. Okay, and the transfer goes face down on the water bath. Okay, and then we clean the edges and the top. Make sure no chalks on the top so that we won't have a hard time later. Water, forgot to spritz water. Okay guys, I am going to go and dry this and come back and we'll do the actual blessing on top. All right, I'll be right back. I just used the hair dryer to dry the paste or the image that we put on. So before we put the Irish blessing, I want to make sure that the board is actually not warm, because it's still kind of warm right now. I want to cool it off. In the meantime, while we're cooling it off, I'm peeling this blessing, this saying, and again, fuzz it on my shirt. Oh my gosh, the smell of new transfer is like giving me a happy high. Anyway, hopefully I'll do it 3 times on my shirt. Sorry, I can show you how I'm doing it, but I'm sure you've seen it in other videos, and if you haven't, please watch my other videos. I have a playlist on my COUTURE projects. Let's do this. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I hope this works out. Okay, I think that does it. Hold on, it's kind of crooked on this side. Just have to bring this up a little bit, or bring it down a little bit. All right, that's the best that we can do. I'm a little worried about this, but there's nothing I can do about that because that's how it lays. Okay, well, cross your fingers for me, guys. All right, so we're using shimmer copper here, and I just opened it, and let's see how it mixes. If it's, oh my gosh, it's a little thick, guys, so I'm just gonna spritz maybe a couple of spritz of water here and see how it goes. Trying to get into that yogurt or sour cream consistency. It's a little thick still. I like my my paste a little on the runny side. I feel like I have a little bit of a control over them, and the thicker they are, to me, the when they dry, when you put it on, especially if you're layering, like we're doing right now, it feels to me like it is going to lift the first layer when I pull the transfer out. So that's why I'm trying to make this as runny or, thinner than possible. I can't get over how gorgeous this color is. Still a little too thick for me. Hopefully this will do it. Okay, guys, I guess this is it. This is the consistency it has. It's a little on the thick side, but it's thinner than it was earlier. Let's get this. I'm just starting my squeegee here, making sure that both sides is loaded with the paste. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is so delicious. Look at all the shimmery goodness of this paste. OMG. Oh my God. Goodness. How gorgeous, guys. Okay, this is the best that I can do for this. I can't wait for the reveal. All right, guys. Look at how dirty my hands have become. Oh, please stay. Oh my goodness. How stinking gorgeous is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How cute. All right, so it may be a little hard to read at first. It still came out really cute. Oh my gosh, guys, how cute is that? Can you see it? How cool is that? May your troubles be less, your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come through your door. The maybe 1/3 of the letters for this line here had been cut off because of the space here, but you can still read it. I hope my friend likes this. Cindy, this is my birthday gift to you, girl. I hope you like it. That's it, guys. This is our project for the day. All my information for COUTURE, my website, is down in the description below. Playlist for our COUTURE videos are also down in the description below, as well as my Kiwi Lane layouts that I've created. So if you are interested in joining and getting discounts, either as a customer, please join my Facebook VIP COUTURE with Scrapbooks Hawaii. Or if you'd like to turn this into a business, guys, this is actually one of the better, or actually if not the best, direct sales business that I have joined. I've joined several of them, trust me. Here's our project. I'm very happy about it. It came out really cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.